Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ms. Nada Hussain, your ICT teacher. Welcome to ICT class. Okay. Now, do you have your books with you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Take out your books. First, I would like to revise the explain topic of chapter number 8. Then we will proceed to the practical examples. Okay. हम प्रैक्टिकली जो एनिमेशन है उस पर आएंगे. सबसे पहले मैं आपको इस चैप्टर के बारे में थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू देना चाहती हूँ. ओके. In the previous lecture, we have learned what is Flash, how we start Flash. I told you you must have to first go for the Macromedia and then go for the Macromedia Flash by pressing the start button, all program Flash and then Macromedia and then Macromedia Flash 8. इसके बाद जब हम लोग ये प्रेस करते हैं, we can see this one picture in your screen. So in this picture, you have to click
Yes.
in the create portion flash file. Okay, when we press it, our flash screen will be appear on your desktop. Okay, desktop screen पर आपकी flash screen आ जाएगी. After that, you know how to use frame, how to start the making any diagrams by using the tool panel. We have tool panel which is divided into 4 parts. Okay, in which the first tool panel is divided into the selection area, drawing area and painting tools, and the second view option contains the zooming tools by which we can see by doing the zooming option, by you can use the zooming option. Then the color area option, we have different types of colors over there, we can use it. After that we have the options area in which we can contain modifiers and correctly selected tools. Okay, after that we can also have the hand tools for the selection, we can have the lasso tools for the selection. Okay. Now, okay, someone is also waiting for us in the admin room. Okay. चलें, waiting area पे जितने थे वो सब आ गए हमारे पास. Now, you all know what is property inspector. Whenever we draw anything, its property shows in the property inspector area. Okay, जो हमारे फ्लैश के नीचे वाला एरिया आ रहा होता है, वहाँ पे इसकी जो भी सिलेक्टेड ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, जो भी हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, उसका प्रॉपर्टीज आ जाती है प्रॉपर्टी एरिया में. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट. द ग्रिड, आपको पता है कि हर स्क्रीन के पीछे एक इनविजिबल ग्रिड होती है, जिसको हम एक ग्रिड को अगर ऑन करना हो तो हम व्यू के टैब में जाएंगे, ग्रिड और शो ग्रिड पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर वो ग्रिड शो हो जाएगी. ओके, देन यू कैन आल्सो यूज रूलर्स इफ यू वांट टू चेंज एनी साइज बाय द रूलर्स. रूलर्स
कंप्यूटर कॉपी कंप्यूटर की बुक जल्दी उनके दे दें हम.
हसन 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 don't disturb during lecture at all. Okay, then the rulers area, we can view rulers by going to click view of tab and then press the ruler. Okay, Sarina, Rabia, Abir, Raza, Musab, Shabbar. This is the soft notice to you all to please open your cameras, beta. You're not allowed to off your cameras. Okay, I would like to see you all because when I'm giving you any lecture, when I'm telling you about any animation, so I would like to see your faces. Hurry up, open your cameras. Very good. Just like a good boy. Yes, good girl, Rabia. Now Abhi, Raza and Musab. Hurry up, open your cameras. I'd like to see you all. Okay, how to create Flash document? That is very simple. When you press to the Flash new option, you can see that. And in the previous class, I told you how to make any sort of shapes and how to change the color of it, how to do selection, and how to do the how to add the frames over there. Okay, I told you how to add the frames. और किस तरीके से आपने देखा था कंट्रोल एंटर करके फ्रेम्स ऐड करके, जब हमने कंट्रोल एंटर किया तो किस तरीके से आपकी फ्रेम्स ऐड हो रहे थे और किस तरीके से आपके एनिमेशन स्टार्ट हो गए थे. ओके, इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट. लेट मी टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ योर्स. 1 minute. Now, fine. Okay, now flash mode drawings. We have two options of drawing modes. Okay, we have two options of drawing modes. One is merge drawing tool, जहाँ पे हम merge करके बनाते हैं, एक object बनाते हैं और दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट उसी के ऊपर बना देते हैं, और जब हम उसको हटाते हैं तो वहां से वो साइड से उसे हटा हुआ होता है, इसका जो बॉर्डर है मैं अभी शो करूंगी आपको. When I'll share my screen, I'll show you this option. And object mode drawing, it is something when we draw anything in your stage, and when we draw overlap any other object, any other shape over there, and then we turn, when we move to the second object, तो उसका जो border है कि कोई भी चीज वहां से गायब नहीं होती है, ठीक है. Then the selection tool, you all know we have the two selection tool, lasso tool and the arrow tool. Arrow tool is just to select any object by clicking on the arrow tool, and then you can press it on the object. It will be directly selected. And if you want to select the lasso tool is option by which, जैसे हम लोग अपनी free form drawing करते थे पेन में, जिसमें हमने कोई भी irregular shape को select कर लिया होता था पेंसिल से, उस तरीके से हम lasso tool use करते हैं. Understand? Then your chapter has been finished, or chapter number 8 has been finished. After explaining this, you must have to read 129 page tricky terms and memory bites. Okay, don't forget to read and learn tricky terms of page number 1 to 9, and you must have to read memory bites properly, and then you must have to complete page number 130 exercise number 1 objective. Okay, you must have to do this. ये objective है आपका यहाँ पर, इसको आपने करना है ये वाला, ठीक है. This one you have to do at your home. In the next class, I will see your work. And you know, whenever you complete it, go for the portal, take a picture of this page, and just enter your homework in your portal by using the picture. Okay, आप इसको picture खींचेंगे इसकी. Just click the picture of this page after doing this one. Okay, 130 page की picture लेंगे जब आप ये कर लेंगे, और अपने portal में आपको पता है how to submit the homework. So you must have to submit this one assignment in your school portal. Okay, this is the first chapter which we have completed, and I will tell you how to do animation, how to do frame animation, and how to add layer. Okay, यहाँ तक हमारा chapter था. अब मैं आपको एनिमेशन बताऊंगी किस तरीके से हमने लास्ट टाइम फ्रेम ऐड किए थे, और आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे अपने लेयर्स की एडिशन करेंगे. ठीक है बेटा जी. लेट मी अनम्यूट यू ऑल, देन यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस. इसके बाद हम आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे. यस, इफ एनीवन वांट टू आस्क, just अपने माइक को अनम्यूट करें, and then you can ask the question. Hurry up. Only 2 minutes for asking the question. Yes, yes.
ओके टीचर, ये जो tricky terms और ये जो memory bites है, क्या सुनेंगी टीचर?
I can ask any question on it, and you are having your quiz in the next class. I will give you the link of it. Before coming to the next class, you must have to submit your quiz as well. Okay. Next class से पहले आपका quiz होगा, so you must have to read it. You must have to revise my lectures. If you want to see my lectures, you can go for the school portal, and we have the session recording. You can see that. Okay. Next, who would like to ask any question? Hurry up.
टीचर मुझे ग्रेड समझ नहीं आया.
It is simple a thing. देखिए, when we have any sort of stage or page, anything, हम Word खोले, MS Word खोले, MS Excel खोले, कुछ भी खोले. Okay. जब भी कोई स्क्रीन होती है, we have the grid, just which is hidden grid beside, just at the back of the page. Okay. जब भी हम लोग कोई भी काम कर रहे होते हैं, हमारे स्टेज में भी ग्रिड जरूर होती है. ठीक है. We have option of viewing grid and just hide grid. अगर हम व्यू करते हैं ग्रिड को, तो हमें नजर आएगा small boxes, छोटे छोटे स्क्रीन पर. Then we hide it. It has the option of showing and hiding in the view tab. Okay, when we press the view tab, we have the option of hiding and visible. Okay, हमारे पास ऑप्शन होता है हम इसको हाइड करें या विजिबल करें. ये हमारे पास ऑप्शन होता है व्यू टैब के अंदर. ठीक है. So normally we just don't open the view option of hide grid, so we just hide it, the option of it. How? I will show you. Okay, what is grid? I'll show you in the picture. Let me share the screen. One thing which I want to tell you all, whenever I open my screen, you are not supposed to use your pointer, your pen, your any sort of device which will be written in my screen. Okay, आप में से कोई भी अपनी स्क्रीन पे नहीं कुछ लिखेगा वरना वो मेरी स्क्रीन पर आता है और आपका लेक्चर डिस्टर्ब होगा. ओके डियर, नाउ एवरीवन.
यस
यस,
यस यस, मेरे पास फ्लैश हो ही नहीं रहा.
why beta? It is very simple.
Yes.
You just have to go. If you don't have Flash CS3, doesn't matter. Just go for Flash Macromedia Flash 8. Flash 8 is also fine for this. If your classmates have it, you just use your USB and transfer it in your computer. Okay, USB से भी transfer हो जाएगा. And if you have CD, it is easily installed over there. Okay. Okay,
Thank you,
dear.
miss.
Now I am muting you all mic, and then I will start sharing my lecture, sharing my screen, and please don't use your pen. Okay. So many students are here. I'd like to take a picture of it because we have to mark the attendance. And please, आप लोग की late attendance भी count होती है. चलें. Now let me share the screen. Here is my screen. First, we have to go to Start button, then All Program, then Macromedia, and then Macromedia Flash 8. You can see this. We have to click in the Create New option. We have to click Flash Document. Okay, Sarina and Zaina, please open your cameras. Hurry up, hurry up. Shabbar, Abhi, Raza, I want to see you all. Open your cameras. Don't, Zaina, please don't put off your camera. Hurry up. Okay, after this, I will show you how to see the grids. Here is a view option and grid. Grid show करते ही यहाँ पर आ रहा है show grid. दिख रहा है grid? This is called grid. When we go to the view option and we press the grid option over here, यहाँ grid को select करा और यहाँ पे जाके हमने grid पे check लगा दिया, तो हमारे पास screen पे grid आ गया. But it not if we draw anything over here, it will not good. It will not look good. Okay. So I'm just hiding my grid option like pressing this. Okay, this is the grid. We can also add ruler by pressing it. ये देखिए यहाँ पे क्लिक करा हमने, इसको क्लिक कर दिया, आपके रूलर्स आ गए. ठीक है. And I also want, I don't want to see the rulers over here. So I'm again pressing ruler again in the view option, view tab. So it will be height. Now in the previous class I told you, please don't use your pens. Hurry up. Rub it right now. जिसने भी ड्रॉ किया है प्लीज रब करें अपने हैंड पर. हरी अप. यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू राइट एनीथिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. गुड. डोंट यूज योर पेन. हरी अप. हाइड इट. प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब माय क्लास. हरी अप. नाउ this is the frame line by which we can add frames over here. We can add layer from here. This is the timeline. ये हमारी timeline होती है. In the previous lecture I told you how to change the color and move your object like this. How to add frames. If anyone is calling me, so please tell everyone that I am not able to take any calls right now during my class. Okay, this is the shape. I am going to change the color of the shape by selecting this. First, I have to click the selection tool and then I have to select the ball. Now I am going to change the color. ठीक है, ये color change किया, next पे रख के F6 press कर दिया, तो ये आपका इसमें frame add हो गया. ठीक है, दोबारा इसको select करा और again I am going to change the color of it and I am pressing F6. Again I am going to change the color of it and I am again pressing F6. फिर जाके दोबारा कलर चेंज कर रही हूँ मैं and F6. फिर एक और दफा कलर चेंज किया by this and F6 press करने से we are adding frames by pressing F6. Okay. Now I am again changing the color and pressing F6. Okay. After that, when I press Control Enter, you can see this. This is the previous lecture which I have explained you. Okay. In the previous class, I told you how to add frames and how to change the color by just selecting the object which we have drawn over there. ठीक है, ये तो हमारा previous lecture था. Today I will tell you how to add frames. Okay. For this I am just pressing Control Z. Control Z से सारे frames जो मैंने add किए थे ये वापस अपनी जगह पर आ गए. Okay. ये हम वापस आ गए blank screen पे without any making thing. Okay. Without any object. Now I'm again selecting this oval tool and I'm drawing this like this. Okay, ये select करके हमने draw करा और इसके बाद यहाँ पे draw करने के बाद हमने selection tool पे जाके इसको select कर लिया. ठीक है. After that I'm pressing हम इसमें layers add करके पहले इसकी animation दिखाएंगे. सबसे पहले हमने इसको draw किया, then we move to frame 50 पे जाके हमने यहाँ पे click करके F6 click कर दिया. F6, when we press F6 over here, you can see one frame, it has been selected over here. This layer का frame select हो गया. Now I'm moving this object like this, okay, and I am changing the color of it. For example, I have selected green color. ठीक है. Now I'm pressing right click and create motion. After doing this, I'm pressing Control Enter. See this. When it moves the object to the that position, it changes the color into green. ये देखिए यहाँ green पे आके change हो जाएगा. Have you seen? The circle is moving from the top, and when it comes to the ending point, which is 50 point, so it changed the color green because you have selected color green over there. ठीक है? This is one object, one layer animation. ठीक है? यहाँ से यहाँ move हो रहा है. Can I show you again? Okay, मैं again control Z करती हूँ. And I'm Sarina, I'll take your question after this work. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, I'm making it again. Okay, now I'm taking square. This one I have made. Okay, ये square हमने यहाँ rectangle box show करा. ठीक है. यहाँ हमने एक square box को select करके rectangular selection पे जाके एक rectangular box बनाया. Now I'm selecting it by pressing this control button like this. Okay. Okay, I am selecting 60 frame. 60 frame पे click करा and then I'm pressing F6. Okay. After selecting this frame, I am moving my object over here, and I also change the color to red. Okay. Now I'm pressing at the center of this frame anywhere. Let's say 30 पे frame पे click करें, and I'm just right clicking off this frame and creating motion twin. I'm pressing the creating motion twin option and then control enter. You can see that when the box is moving to the desired place, it changes the color to red. जब ये नीचे आके अपना color change कर रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं red पे color change कर रहा है. This is the one layer explanation. Okay. Now pressing over here. Now I'm adding one more layer. This is the option to insert more layer. I'm pressing it. It adds the layer. Remember one thing. Whenever we add any layer, the new layer will be appear at the top, and the layer which we worked on, it comes on the downside. Okay. नई layer नीचे आती जाएगी. Sorry, ऊपर आती जाएगी और पुरानी layer नीचे होती जाएगी. So layer 1 is over here and layer 2 is over here. ठीक है. We can also change the name of the layer by pressing it and changing the color. Right side इस पे जाके यहाँ पे rename भी कर सकते हैं. But यहाँ पर जाके इस पे भी click करेंगे तो ये हमें option दे देगा layer नाम change करने का, layer name. Okay. But I am coming to layer 2 option, and now I'm making this circle like this. I'm selecting this circle. First, I draw this circle by pressing the circle option, and then I change it. I change the color. Okay, मैंने इसका color select करेंगे पहले इसको, and then I'm going to change the color of circle like this. Okay, this color has been changed. It is a work of this layer. Okay. Okay, one thing I would like to show you again. ये जो हमने layer add किया था, layer 2, I'm undoing it. हम इसको दोबारा करेंगे. Layer 1 तक हमारा जो था हम देख लेते हैं. Control enter करके you can see the animation in layer 1. ठीक है. I'm repeating once again how to add a layer. This is layer insert layer option. I'm pressing it. It insert the layer. Okay. यहाँ पे हम पहले वाली layer add कर चुके थे, इसलिए layer 3 आया. Right? Doesn't matter about layer 3. Pressing on this frame, I am making one more object like this. Okay. I have changed the color of this object by using this color option. Now I am again selecting this one. इसको select करा और इधर वाले frame पर जाकर F6 क्लिक कर दिया, ठीक है। जब F6 क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड फ्रेम का जो हमारा पूरी ग्रिड है वो हमारी सेलेक्ट हो गई फ्रेम, और यहाँ से हमने इसको यहाँ पे मूव करा, और देन अगेन गोइंग टू 6 option, 30 option and create motion. Now, when I press Control Enter, you can see both layers are moving together. Can you see this? But we haven't changed any color of the circle. When it reaches to the ending point, it doesn't change the color. As compared to the rectangle option, देखिए rectangle end पर आके red हो जाता है, लेकिन हमने circle जो हमने select किया था, we didn't change any color of circle, so it remains on the same color, ठीक है। अच्छा, एक चीज और बता दूं मैं आपको, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज, देखिए यहाँ पर आके आपने जो ये वाली सेलेक्ट करा है पूरा दिस वन, इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट द लेयर, आप यहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं लेयर को, लेयर पे क्लिक करके, एंड देन आई कैन मूव द लेयर 3 फ्रेम लाइक दिस। इससे क्या होगा, आपका जो सर्कल है वो बाद में विजिबल होगा, पहले आपका स्क्वायर आ जाएगा। कैसे? कंट्रोल एंटर, ये देखिए द सर्कल अपीयर्स आफ्टर दैट, क्योंकि हमने इस लेयर को थोड़ा आगे कर दिया। चलिए थोड़ा और आगे करके देखते हैं इस लेयर के फ्रेम को, क्या होता है इसके आगे करने से। यू कैन सी दिस, ये देखिए नाउ जब आपका लेयर 15 तक आपका ये स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल आता है, उसके बाद आपका दूसरा लेयर आपको विजिबल होकर नजर आता है, ठीक है। तो दिस मीन्स यू कैन चेंज द ऑप्शन ऑफ लेयर बाय जस्ट सेलेक्टिंग इट। आप इसको वापस भी लाके इस जगह पे खड़ा कर सकते हैं और वापस इसको मूव भी कर सकते हैं, ओके। जस्ट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द लेयर्स। So, and in the previous lecture, I told you how to add the frames, and in this layer, I told you how to add the layers. Okay. I hope you understand. Let me take your questions, and then I will proceed to more. G. You have option to unmute yourself one by one, and then you can ask questions. Hurry up. Open your cameras, everyone. Asra, Ahmed Ali, Musab, Shabbar, Halima, Abia Wakar, I want to see you all. पहले जल्दी से अपना वीडियो ऑन करें, hurry up.
क्रिएट मोशन करना होता है तो वो ऑप्शन कहाँ से आता है?
You just have to right click the mouse button. When you pressing on the center, you just have to right click the mouse button. You have the option of motion tuning over there. Okay, I'll again show you how to do this. Please open your cameras, hurry up. Hello Abhi, it's nice to see you after a long time.
Teacher, I am on PC because and I don't have any web camera.
Who is he? Please tell
Osama
me.
Rizwan.
Osama Rizwan. Okay, Osama, doesn't matter. But the rest of them, please open your cameras. Hurry up.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. So today we have learned how to add layers. In the previous lecture, we learned how to add frames and how to do animation. Today we learned how to add layers and do animation with 2 objects. Now I'll show you how to add layers, 3 layers at a time, and how to move 3 objects at a time. ठीक है, मैं आपको अभी 3 का भी दिखा देती हूँ करके. And chat, I can see your chat. Page number, okay. Okay, we are running out of time after 10 minutes, so we have to do it fast. I will upload the page number in your portal. You just have to see. We have finished chapter 1. This is chapter number 8. First chapter हमने जो chapter 8 का वो finish कर लिया है, and we are just going to see your work in your book. You just have to do exercise number 1 of page number 130 in your book. You must have to read memory bites. You must have to learn tricky terms. Okay, for the quiz as well. I will conduct your quiz in the coming week. Before your class, I'll give you the link. You must have to take your link from the portal. So आप अपने portal से link उठाएंगे, आपका time limit वहाँ mention होगा. You must have to do this and submit your quiz over there. Okay? And now I'm again sharing my screen. ठीक है, आपको mute करने का option मैंने वापस कर दिया है. You cannot unmute yourself till I will give you the option of it. Again, Macromedia Flash के लिए all program, Macromedia Flash, and then Flash 8. Why I'm doing this again? बिकॉज ऑफ योर कन्वीनियंस कि जिसको नहीं भी समझ आ रहा हाउ टू रीच टू Macromedia Flash 8 or PS3, so you can easily go and use it. Okay, please open your cameras. Ahmed Ali, please open your camera. Okay, now again I'm showing you how to add layers. No, please don't do this. Hurry up, rub it. Those who make it, please rub it. जिसने भी किया है वरना मैं यहाँ से ब्लॉक कर दूंगी बेटा आपको. हरी आप इसको रब करें स्क्रीन को. हरी आप. You are not supposed to use your pen, your markers on your screen. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Rub it. Rub करें जल्दी. Rub it. I said rub it. Hurry up. Let me just come for the conclusion. Hurry up. नेक्स्ट टाइम से मैं आपकी स्क्रीन भी लॉक करके आऊंगी. इसको प्लीज रब करें. हरी अप. जल्दी से इसको रब करें. यू आर मेकिंग इट अगेन. हु इज डूइंग दिस? वेरी बैड बेटा. दिस इज योर क्लास गोइंग ऑन. डोंट डू दिस. रब करें इसको. Oh my God. You are making it again. Who is using his or her pen or marker? This is so bad. आप नहीं चाह रही लेक्चर लेना. You are disturbing my class, बेटा. Please rub it. Hurry up. This is so bad. Okay, stop sharing it. Okay, आप लोग इस तरह करेंगे तो मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं करूंगी और मैं आगे आपको शो भी नहीं करूंगी. I will just give you the direct work. This is so bad. Let me check it again. Our program Macromedia Flash and Macromedia Flash 8. Again, who is doing this, beta? Rub it right now. Control Z दबाइए, हट जाएगा. Hurry up. Now I'm making first layer object. Selecting this circle and I'm making over here. After selecting this object, I'm going to change the color of it. I'm changing this color like this. Okay. Now in 60 option, मैं आपको 70 पे क्लिक करके देती हूँ. 70 पे जाके हमने we press F6 option from the keyboard and then I'm moving this object from here to there and then I'm again changing the color of this option to red. Okay. Selecting create motion tuning like this. ठीक है. This is first object. You can see this. Please rub this thing which you have used, which you have written by the pen option. Please जिसने भी किया है बेटा, hurry up, rub it. It must be a boy. ये किसी लड़के की हरकत है. I must say. Please rub करें इसको. Hurry up. Then you can see your screen clear. Okay. After that, I'm again adding one more layer. Okay. How to add layer? From this insert layer option. I'm inserting this layer. यहाँ पे frame पे इस पे click करेंगे. Then I am selecting this rectangular tool. I'm making this rectangular. This is ridiculous. I'm really saying this is ridiculous. Next time मैं अपनी screen के साथ आपको ये भी आपकी please बिल्कुल block कर दूँगी आप लोगों के written option में. Okay. I'm selecting this one by selecting this tool like this. Okay. इसके बाद इसका फ्रेम मैंने यहाँ से सेलेक्ट करा यहाँ तक और इसको यहाँ से यहाँ मूव कर लिया और इसके बाद F6 दबा दिया तो ये आपका यहाँ से सिलेक्ट होता है. दिस इज रिडिकुलस. आई मस्ट से दिस इज सो बैड. जिसको पता है कि वो ये कर रहा है, दिस इज वेरी बैड. जस्ट रब इट. हरी अप, रब इट. लेट मी शो यू अगेन. Okay, in this layer I have made this one. यहाँ पे हमने एक स्क्वायर ये बनाया, रेक्टेंगल बनाया और इसके बाद फ्रेम 1 पे जाके इसको सेलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे रखा. Then I am pressing this 70 option and F6 प्रेस करने से इसकी ट्यूनिंग आ गई. सेलेक्ट करके इसको यहाँ से यहाँ मूव कर दिया and then I am pressing create motion tuning of it When I press this button, you can see two objects are moving together. And now I'm showing you how to add one more layer. Very bad. Just rub it. Hurry up. Rub it. Who is he or she who don't want to learn? You can leave my class, beta, if you don't want to learn. But don't disturb the screen like this. Okay. Now adding this layer. I added layer 3. और यहाँ पर जाके मैंने यहाँ select कर लिया tool poly start, ठीक है. यहाँ पे select करने के बाद इसको frame 1 पे click करके यहाँ पे draw किया एक polygon छोटा सा. I changed the color by selecting it like this. I have changed it to green color and now I am adding इसकी layer मैंने 75 पे select करके F6 दबा दी और I am moving this object like this, ठीक है. Now I am creating motion tuning over here. Control Enter press करने से you can see 3 objects are moving together. ये देखिए. अच्छा, one thing which I want to change is I will change the end option of yes, this layer. I will change the option to here. ठीक है. Now I am pressing it. Control Enter. You can see 3 objects are moving together, and you can see the places where we have selected. Okay. This is the 3-layer object. You can make 4, 5, and more layer if you want to add. Okay. Have you seen this 3 motion tuning? Okay. Just take a look how to move 3 objects together. This is how to add layer. In the previous class, I told you how to add frames by pressing F6. You must have to use F6 pressing. When we select at the end, we must have to again press F6 for selecting the whole frame right here. But you must have to create motion tuning by clicking the right click, and you have to create motion. अगर आपको motion tuning remove करनी हो किसी भी layer पे, आप वहाँ पे click करके right click करेंगे, आपके motion tuning को remove करने का option आएगा. But I don't want to remove any motion tuning right here, so I'm just doing this. Okay, this is the lecture which you have to conduct today. Now I'm stop sharing your screen. Okay, unmuting you all. If you want to ask any question, you can ask. Our lecture has been finished.
बस मुझे ये बता दें कि वो है create new motion है उसका ऑप्शन उस पे आ रहा है उसकी जो लाइन है ऊपर की.
तो जो frame है ना जो हमने select किया हुआ frame, you can just go for that frame and you have to press the right button of your mouse. Okay, when you press the right button, you have the option to create motion tuning. Okay. Any else? Yes, beta. Anything else which you want to ask? Please ask me because our class is going to be end in 1-2 minutes. Okay.
No.
मैं आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
No, miss, आ रही है
voice
voice.
आ रही है? Okay. I think Abhiha, you must have to raise the voice option from your speaker or whatever you are using. Okay, dear, please. One thing which